This is a set of 1.25 inch neutral density filters for telescopes. It's from FIBONAX. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they would cost you $25 for this set. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. Alright, so we get this little carrying case, and inside of it are 4 of these neutral density filters, and they have ND4, ND8, ND16, and ND32. And so the idea of the neutral density filter is that it will reduce the amount of light coming in to basically get rid of glare. So for example, if you have an 8-inch telescope, it brings in a lot of light if you're looking at the moon. That 8-inch aperture is really nice if you are trying to get a lot of detail, but it also gets a lot more light than you really need to look at the moon with. And so these guys will screw onto a 1.25 inch telescope eyepiece and reduce the brightness so that things are a little bit more clear. You could also use them on any astrophotography camera that is threaded with a 1.25 inch nose like that. So I'm going to take these out. First, in the daytime, I'll take some pictures without the neutral density filter and then with each of the filters on place, and then I'll take some pictures of the moon with them. So it is very cloudy out there, so we're pretty dim to start off with, but we're still brighter than the moon at night. So we're going to take a picture here just without the filter, and then we'll take another one with the ND4, one with the ND8, one with the ND16, and one with the ND32 to show you how that drops off. So the neutral density 4 filter seemed to bring out some colors and enhance the image. The 8, the 16, and the 32, all of those just made it too dark, at least on this cloudy, dreary day. Now the neutral density 32 did allow me to change my shutter speed up to 1 second and take a 1 second exposure, which kind of can blur any motion together, but you know, that's kind of an artistic effect you might want to achieve with that, not something for astronomy use. Now here's a picture of the moon that I shot a little bit cloudy that night, and this is with a 1-inch aperture telescope, so it's kind of bright, but it's not super bright. When I switched over to using the neutral density 4 filter, I think that gives me a better image. There was a little less glare on it. The neutral density 8 and the neutral density 16 and 32 I felt were a little bit too dark to be really useful in this particular situation. But if you were using a larger telescope, you know, something with a 6 or 8 inch aperture, some of those heavier duty neutral density filters could come in handy. So overall, I was very happy with this set of filters. If you're not quite sure exactly how much light reduction you're looking for in a moon filter, this gives you a nice option where you can try a couple out and see which one works best for you.